yoga class. I'm Grace.
And I'm Michaela.
Wow, the weather's very nice today. How about we go on a walk?
Yes, that's a great idea. I can't wait to feel the nice sunshine and the cool breeze.
Yes, let's also bring our dog with us.
Now is everyone ready to go?
Let's go.
Let's get started by sitting down. Before we go on our walk, let's make a bubble. Raise your arms up to the sky and bring your hands to your heart. There are many nice flowers out in nature, so we have found a nice flower. Now inhale like you are smelling the nice flower, and exhale, blow the candle. Inhale to smell the flower again because it smells very nice. And exhale, blow the candle. Inhale, smell the flower. And exhale, blow the candle. We might see a lot of rocks on our walk, of many different shapes and sizes. So let's pretend to be a rock. Sit back on your feet and put your head down. Put your arms behind you. Now we look like a rock. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Because we brought our dog with us today on our walk, let's go and take him on a walk. Come into your plank pose and then push your hips back into downward dog. Now let's walk our dog and pedal out our feet. We are walking. Inhale and exhale. The sun is very bright, and let's say hi to the sun. Step your feet forward and raise your arms up to say hi to the sun. Now bring your hands to your heart. The breeze is so nice, and we want to stay here to feel it for a couple more seconds. Inhale and exhale. We might see many trees on our walk. They are very big and tall. Let's pretend to be a tree. Stand on one foot and put your other foot on the inside of your leg. Now bring your hands to your heart. Because we feel the wind, we might also reach our arms up and move them around like the leaves are moving in the wind. Inhale and exhale. What else do we see? We might see a lot of birds flying around. Do you hear the birds chirping? Let's pretend to be birds. Stand on one leg and spread your wings out. Now let's fly in the sky. Lean forward, and you can flap your wings and move around. Inhale and exhale. We might also see a lot of plants. Let's pretend to be a plant now. Squat down and put your hands at your heart. Push your legs away with your arms. Now we look like a plant. Maybe we are a bush and there are many nice flowers on our branches and leaves. Maybe it is a berry bush and there are nice berries ready for us to pick. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. It started raining again, so let's fold forward, touch the ground, and be a little rain cloud. Let's wait until the rain is over. Inhale and exhale. The rain is finally gone. Let's say hi to the sun again. Bring your hands to your heart. What do you see on the tree branches? There might be some caterpillars crawling around. So let's pretend to be caterpillars now. Come down onto your belly and put your hands next to you. Put your head down on the ground. Now, as you inhale, lift yourself up. We look like we are caterpillars now, crawling on the tree branches. Exhale and put your head down again. Often when we see caterpillars, they turn into butterflies. So let's pretend to be a butterfly now. We were caterpillars, but now we have turned into a beautiful butterfly. Put your feet together and with your knees out wide and hold on to your feet. You can flap your butterfly wings. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now that we are done with our walk, let's go home and rest. It was very tiring, but we still enjoyed it very much. Do you see the nice rainbow in the sky? It has just rained, so there is a rainbow, very nice and colorful. Think about your favorite color. You might also see many nice clouds in the sky and feel the warm sunshine. Let's rest here until we hear the chimes. Now, let's say hi to the sun. Take a good morning stretch. Let's come back into a seat.
Wow, that was such a fun neighborhood walk. Yes, it was. It was so relaxing to see everything in nature. Remember that when it is a nice weather outside, go on a walk with your family and friends.
Wonderful job today, everyone.
Thank you, and we'll see y'all next time. Namaste.
Namaste.